Welcome back, mathematicians. In this video, we are going to solve another right triangle. So remember, to solve a triangle, it means we are going to find the value of any unknown side or angle for that triangle. Let's start by drawing a picture to identify what we are given and what we are being asked to find. So we have a right triangle. I'll put my right angle at the bottom left-hand vertex. That is typically labeled as angle C. We then would have side C opposite angle C. I'm going to label the bottom right-hand vertex as angle A, which means side A is opposite angle A. We know side A is a value of 4, and then we have angle B, where side B is opposite angle B, and we know that side B is a value of 2. We know that angle C is 90 degrees because we are told that this is a right triangle. We now need to find 3 pieces of missing information or unknown information, and that would be angle B, angle A, and side C. So let's start by finding side C, and let's do that by using the Pythagorean theorem. So what we know is that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, and this is true for all right triangles. We know that a has a value of 4, so that'll be 4 quantities squared. We know b has a value of 2, so that's 2 quantities squared, and this is equal to c squared. We then square the parts, so we have 16 plus 4 is equal to c squared, and then we find the sum, which would be 20. Now we're going to square root both sides, so we know c is equal to the square root of 20, which is equal to 2 times the square root of 5. So if I simplify the radical, I get 2 times the square root of 5. Now, if you want the exact value of that side, it would be 2 times the square root of 5. If, however, you are being asked to find a decimal rounded to a certain amount of decimal places, in this case 2 decimal places, we are then going to use our calculator and calculate the square root of 20, and what we get is approximately 4.47. We now need to find angle A or angle B, and we're going to choose one of them. It doesn't really matter which one we choose. I'm going to go ahead and find angle A. So to find angle A, I'm going to have to use one of my trigonometric functions, so sine, cosine, or tangent. Because I know the exact value of B and A, sides B and A, I'm going to use both of those sides for my trigonometric function, which means I'm using the opposite side to angle A and the adjacent side to angle A. That tells me I need to use tangent. So I will have tangent of angle A is equal to the side that is opposite angle A, which is 4, over the side that is adjacent, which is 2. Now you don't need to reduce this ratio because next you are going to take the inverse tangent of both sides. So I'll have angle A is equal to the inverse tangent of 4 halves, or you can reduce that to be 2. It doesn't really matter. Now make sure your calculator is in degrees for this problem, and then go ahead and calculate it, and what you'll get is approximately 63.43. So we have A is approximately 63.43 degrees. To find angle B, we know that angle A plus angle B is equal to a sum of 90 degrees. Since we know angle A is approximately 64.43 degrees, we can use that fact to find angle B. So subtract 64.43 degrees from both sides for this equation, and what we get is angle B is equal to approximately 26.57 degrees. All right, guys, good luck.